This is our test tile wall. So this is a really nice resource because it shows you what glazes look like on top and underneath each other. So again, we're going to limit our glaze palette this semester, so you won't be using all of these, and we'll take down the ones that we're not using so it's not confusing. But right now they're all up there, and I want to sort of explain to you the way it's set up. So you'll see at the very top there are a row of tiles with names, and on the very left hand side there's a row of tiles with names. Those are single dips of each of the glazes that we have. And then in between those are the over-unders, and so the top represents the over and the side represents the under. So if you were to grab a tile, say you grabbed this one would be 4/6. So tea dust over cream breaking rust. And if you take the tile down and turn it over, there's Sharpie on the back of each tile that indicate the combination as well. And so it'll read like a fraction. So this will read 4/6, which means you would put 6 on it first and then 4. So we're doing combinations of glazes with these, and this shows you what those combinations look like. I want to point out that the places where there are red X's are because it was a really bad combination. It ran all over the place, it fell off, so we don't want to use those. I also want to point out the yellow behind different ones. If it's got yellow behind it, but the tile is still there, then you can use it, but it moves. So you need to be careful. We don't put that combination all the way down the side of a piece. We just do it at the top and it'll move down because we don't want it to run off of your piece. You have other combinations that are more stable and they work well. They don't move too much and you don't have to worry so much about that combination running off of your piece. So that is the wall of tiles. When you get into class, you can look at that, evaluate what you want, and again, we're not going to have all of these options this semester. We're going to cut down the amount of glazes to make it a bit more simplified since we have such a short amount of time.